Tabang Durante Island. I came all the way from Bungaw, Tawi-Tawi just to have this IBT and Plebo training. So, bakit ko nga po ba naisip ang PALS or mag-train dito sa PALS? May naririnig po ako na hearsays regarding ganito, ganyan. So, sabi ko, why not try sa PALS? So, para masabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na ang PALS ay karapat-dapat talaga na pag-training. So, after this training, ngayon masasabi ko talaga na ang PALS could provide quality education towards professional development.
Are you gonna use it overseas, sir?
Of course, if in case na mag-abroad or mag-work overseas, of course, magagamit ko po talaga itong mga certificates na nakuha ko, yung mga credentials na nakuha ko. So, yun nga, andito na, after the days of training, andito na po yung certificates. Certified IBT therapist na po, pati phlebotomist. Andito na rin po yung ID ko na dalawa. Ebidensya pa, may injured, may naka-plaster pa, So yun po, maraming salamat po sa PALS.
Thank you.
I'm Farzida Abujib. I'm from Santa Catalina, Zamboanga City. Actually, I am a ACLS trainee dito sa PALS. Then bumalik ako dito para mag-train for Plebo and IPT. Kasi alam ko, PALS give quality education and the lecture are discussed well by the instructor, and the equipment or material needed are already available. And yung mga staff din, alam kong tutulungan ako na maging to build myself to be confident.
Are you gonna use it overseas?
Yes, I will use it overseas pag nagkaroon ng chance na mag-abroad. Siyempre, gagamitin ko yung mga credential na nakuha ko dito. And hindi lang yung yung training na nagawa ko dito is not just to highlight my resume or pampa-impress sa mga also to help people and to save lives.
Where's your certificate, ma'am?
Wala. Nandun pa.
So,
Ito yung pruweba na I am certified phlebotomist and art therapist.
thank you.
Thank you.